I can fix YouTube sound that I need to uh, off the music. So on YouTube, you basically can't hear anything but me, you know. Is the YouTube now okay? Mr. V familiar? We can hear you now, yeah. I don't know, somehow whenever I try to turn on something like some music on the YouTube, it just you can't hear me. So yeah, if you guys want more calm, peaceful live, you can go to the YouTube, put me on a big screen on the TV, check me out. Meanwhile, you can hear me on the TikTok if you want with the music. Okay. Everybody here? Should we start the session, the discussion? Yes, okay. I want to see everybody in the chat. Please speak louder. Louder. YouTube chat. What you guys want from me? Should I put this mic in my mouth? Tap tap the screen. Break the screen, I would say. Don't tap tap. Break your screen. Have a hammer and break it because you're not doing anything. YouTube, is the sound fine now? Good. All right. Finally. Okay. Now, let's get back to the charts. So, what happened in the previous sessions? Let's start with, oh, don't forget, tomorrow is the monthly closure coming. I've been keep saying tomorrow is the monthly closure incoming. So you need to be careful with that. Anyways, what happened with the daily? Look at the previous daily close. What you see? Guys, you need to respond me, okay? So what you see with the previous daily close? If you want to learn this, you better be stay active and respond on time in the chat. What happened with the previous daily? Big bear. It closed bullish. Bro, I want to learn from start. Do you teach personally? Yes, but you can't afford me personally. So all you have to do is join the group call. I mean, we have New York sessions together. So it's like uh, with the group, but you can join, hop on the call. It's like you're sitting right next to me and you can ask questions and I can respond you with that. Okay. Change of character. Okay. When is your session starts? It's a New York session. We trade that every single day. First of all, you need to join the free Discord and then you can, if you like it, then you can come out there. Okay. So what happened with the previous daily, if you see it like past 2 days, Wednesday and Thursday, right? This was the Wednesday price was pushing down, and then after, I mean, FOMC, the price starts pushing it up. And today is also I mean, not today, but tomorrow, of course, after New York session, when the market close, when the weekly candle close, when the daily close, that's where when the monthly is going to close, and that closure will going to be wild. Why? Because that will give us I would say leading indicator for where the price can go for the next few months. Because if this candle close bullish, look at the previous months, right? What happened? We are in very extreme bearish momentum for the 1 2 3, at least 4 good months. Okay, if this candle closed bullish, if it did not flip and close bearish, then it might possibility that market can market can change its direction towards upside. Okay, if this gives a closure around 4220s, 4250s, that's a very clear indication that maybe the rest of the year, maybe next few months, maybe the next monthly can also starts pushing it towards the upside. So one thing you need to see here, the way we trade with the 15-minute, hourly, 4 hour, daily, weekly, the same analysis, the same strategy you can apply on the monthly. So no matter if you are a scalper, you can trade with the 1 minute. No matter if you're a swing trader, you can trade with the monthlies and dailies, or you're a day trader like we do, like maybe 15-minute, hourly, we're in and out like in few minutes, right? So you can apply the same things in the higher time frame as well. Okay, so first of all, yes, we need to see how this monthly close, then weekly for sure. If you see the weekly side, I think there is, yeah, there's unmitigated gap. I don't know if anybody remember that unmitigated gap. Some advanced trader was in our chat. What happened? How can I make it small? It's a full size right now. Think I need to close the tab and then reopen it. Wait. Mm, sorry guys, we're having some technical issue here. Maybe. Oh, now we're good. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, we were talking about the monthly candle. So this is what you can expect after it gives you a closure. Now, weekly, same thing. Daily, same thing. If you see the previous two daily candles, that close in heavy bullish side, right? It might go up, it might start strange, it might drop. We will figure this out going through the session to session. That's why I like to trade session to session. Even though, yes, we're going to look for the daily, we're going to look for the weekly, we're also going to look for the monthly side as well. but it's good to know like the bigger perspective in the market, so you have an idea, okay, this is where you can expect the price can go. Okay, so now if we look for the session to session, if you look for, okay, where are the high possibility that the price can go in this session where we're going to take trade, right? So either we can take trade on the buy side or the sell side. So what you need to see here, okay, what happened in the previous session? Price drop in the New York session, if you can see here. Okay, so this was basically the whole previous day. So what happened yesterday, since yesterday Asian session till now, price pushed down in the Asian session. This was Asian session, right? In the London session, what happened? Price starts pushing it up around here. Now this was the New York session. What happened? Price keep continue pushing it up. Overall, it's showing, okay, the trend is now switching to from bearish side to the bullish side. And after that, uh, before market close and now till the market open, price is ranging in this zone. From where? From 4171 to 4160. That's like around 100 ticks. That's very, very ideal, right? Because in this range you're not going to lose a lot of pay, because when the price starts ranging in the big zones, then it's really hard to figure it out where it will go. So right now price is, if it's ranging in this zone, all you have to do is wait for a simple breakout. All you have to do is wait for some volume coming in. Once the volume starts kicking in and you see, okay, price starts breaking this, give you a nice closure below or upside, right? And the volume starts kicking in, there is very easy to identify those moves, and you should always wait for that. And since this week started, I was keep saying Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, don't expect too much, but Thursdays, Fridays, these are the days where you're gonna make most amount of money. So same example, during the New York session today, we waited maybe 1 hour or 2 hours for the trade, and we took the buys somewhere around here. Yeah, we took the buys and price literally push up around 300 ticks, and it takes around maybe max 10 to 15 minutes for that trade to go from our entry to 300 ticks. But we waited for that setup for like at least 2 hours, right? So same thing you need to do, you need to learn that, okay, it's going to be wait time maybe 30 minutes, maybe 1 hour, maybe 2 hours, maybe 3 hours, but the actual trade time might be 5 to 10 minutes, sometimes 30 minutes. Sometimes price likes to go against you and then starts going in your direction. Okay, so all you have to do for this session now, you need to wait and you need to observe here what is happening. Okay, the reason why I like to do this in real time instead of or record my video and then tell you this is what's going to happen, that's no fun. Like looking at the price live, trading at the live in the real market, where you can also learn, where you can also earn as well. So right now price is ranging. We need to wait for there, the flip strategy. We have the 4 steps, so you need to align all those 4 things. Number one, you need to identify the trend. If you already know, okay, is it going to go up or down? Right now it's in ranging, so we need to wait for that. Second thing, you need to mark your zones. Are your zones are marked? Yes, that's a tick line. Okay, the zones are marked. We mark our zones very well and we're waiting for the price to go up or downside. Number three, you need to wait for closures. You need to wait for the confirmations. How you gonna do that? Once the volume starts kicking in the market, the price starts pushing towards upside, downside, wherever it goes, it gives you a breakout, it gives you a change of character, whatever name you want to call, whatever strategy you trade, all these strategies work exactly the same way. And number five, I mean the last step, number four, trading, right? How you gonna execute your trade? How you gonna manage that risk? How, where you gonna do the stops at break even? Where you gonna take your partials? Where you gonna take your TPs and SLs and all those things, right? So all these things you need to learn. You need to focus on that. Money, it will eventually come. Don't worry about the money. Don't worry about the passing the accounts. Don't worry about getting the funded. Once you start focusing in these things, this checklist. Trading is super duper easy. This strategy, because you are not using any indicators, any MACDs, any EMAs, any VWAPs, nothing like that. All you have to do is mark your zones, wait for the price, give you the confirmation, give you some breakouts, execution, take your trade, make some money, close out your charts, come back next day. Make it easy, make it simple. Okay, now if you have any questions, you can ask now. Hey FX, hey Imran, what's up, brother? Mr. FX, good morning. How are you doing? I'm good. How are you? I never think trading will be that easy before meet AFX. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. How to mark zones? Please. Man, I already explained it. I already I mean, if you want to learn in detail, bro, I can't tell you step by step, okay? You need to come here every single day, right? You mark your zones on 4 hour, 1 hour, bro. Yes, 15, 1 hour, 4 hour, daily, weekly, monthly, it depends. So right now, when the monthly close, so we're gonna mark the zones tomorrow in our weekly session, in the monthly side, because the monthly is closing. So we need to see, we're gonna discuss about, okay, what's happening in the monthly and how we can take advantage of that. Please, you are a good teacher, okay? Please. Please for what? I never thought traders was so handsome before me, TFX. Assalamu alaikum. Hey Maria, what's up? How are you? Walaikum salam. Okay, thanks. So yeah, guys, ask question. This is how you're gonna learn. Okay, but don't ask repeated questions, please. Now, I already explained about like the strategy, like if you want to know like more detail, man. By the way, I also have the videos of this strategy in detail. Like it's very simple. Everybody asks here, I told them, man, it will literally take you what? 1 hour? No, three hours max, 3 to 4 hours. You're gonna learn it, but it will take time how you can implement that. The strategy is not hard. You are hard. The fight with you, that's going to be hard. The fight with Kitty when she's doing karate and she's going to do punch on your face, that's going to be hard. So you need to be careful. It's a joke. I'm full here. Okay. So yeah, right now what we're doing, let me, because some people are blind or deaf, so I need to write it for those people that this is what we're doing. Spoon feeding. If the price gives a closure above, we're going to look for some buys. If the price gives some closure below, we're going to look for some sells. And right now, what we're doing, we are waiting for some confirmation, right? And this is gold. This is not Bitcoin. This is not NASDAQ. This is not silver. This is not oil. This is gold. Clear cut. Simple. This is this is the whole strategy right here. Buy, wait for the buy, wait for the confirmation. If the price gives you a nice buy towards upside, we're gonna get into the buys entries. Even the price gives you closures below the low side, we're going to look for some sells. We have the advantage we have right now. We have uh, we have clean range on the both sides, clean range on the left side, on the right side for the buy side. Same with clean range here, if you see this, on the left side, on the sell side, on the right side. So we are good both buys and sells. But what we need to do here, we just need to wait for the market to show us the move. Most traders, where they get wrong, they just force trade. They just try to get in. Oh, I want to get into the buys, I want to get into the sells now, without any confirmation. And what happened? Yes, you're still gonna hit SL even though you wait for those confirmations. But remember, we're here to build a system, we're here to build a strategy where you can use that every day, like the same way, to make money. Gold market, wait for confirmation. Okay, are you saying should I write it like this way, how you write it? Okay, now the price is pushing down. Let's see. 15 is about to close in 1 minute. Same with the 30. Mm. 'Need to deal with the fake outs. Can you notice them before they happen? No, you cannot. The only thing with the fake outs, you will only notice once they are happen. You will not know while they're happening. Down, down, push me down, down. Okay, 25 seconds. Let's see. If this gives a nice closure below, we can look for some sell side. Sells are coming. Okay. Yeah. All right. 5 seconds. Let's see. Wait for the next for the topic, and then on the flip of that, let it create some topic. Okay, you can use the flexible risk here if you want to. If you don't know what it is, then you shouldn't. If the price touch this 4158 and then flip, that would be a good sell side. Very good sell side. But if the, let's say in the 15, if it starts breaking the previous 15 and close back in the range, this would be then the fake out. And after the volume come up, you're gonna see another continuation towards upside. Okay, so you need to be careful. clean range on the left around 100 ticks. Okay, so you can use your flexible wrist now if you want to get in. I am all right. I'm also in. Let's see. Can I see some taps now? Before it starts pushing down, I want to see at least 25k taps. If you guys want it to drop, I want to see at least 25k. It will literally take you 1 minute max if everybody do that. Good evening everyone. Hey, all that's up. How are you? Bro, ये कौन सा पेयर है? Bro, this is Bitcoin. This is Bitcoin. You see here? Now we need little bit more volume and you're gonna see 100 tick draw from here. Very easy. If you're up 50-60 ticks, you must manage your trade at that point. Okay. Good morning, AFX. Hey, Remy. Good morning. How are you? Okay. This song is so gay. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. 4092. It breaks nicely. I will add loads. Okay. 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 Take it easy, bro. Take it easy. Mr. FX Killer, you're killing too much. All I just want, just 100 takes gold. Come on, that's it. I promise. Just 100 takes. And then maybe later I'll get little more greedy and, try to make more. But just give me 100, please. Just 100 takes. That's it. Just 100. Just drop maybe 50, 60 takes more. And then I'm going to do the break even. And then I'm going to add more, all that fun stuff. So just drop, gold. Just drop. I know you're going to drop. All right. 50 takes up. Careful. 50 takes up. You already know what you need to do. There is 4 hours for that. That's why I will add and go full margin. Okay, Mr. FX Killer. Yeah, traders after making the first payout, listening this song. That's what people do. What I usually see. Yeah. All we need little bit more volume. That's it. Just little bit more volume and game over. Guys, is it this just me or you guys understand this? You see, when these rappers, when they like, listen, what you understand this? Not this one. Listen to the other guy when he says something. UK rap, yeah, whatever rap it is. But yeah, this is okay, this is understandable. But you know, I feel bad for the people who okay. Mumble rap, yeah. There's a uh what's the name? Wait, let me play it for you. So I'm gonna torture you tonight a lot until the we're gonna wait for the goal to drop. Uh, okay, after this I'm gonna play that. This is a good tune, yeah. Why is your price different from because we live in the future, Mr. Altaf Hussain, the MQM, Mister. I told you, man. I told you why. So many times, and you keep asking the same question every single day. Just drop. How many pips were up? Because, okay, 40, 50 ticks in low volume, it's good. But we're greedy. We want 100 ticks. Okay, guys, focus, focus, focus on the goal right now. It might dump. Focus there. No more questions. Just focus on the trade. Look at it. What's happening? Okay. How can I make some money? Should I deposit 60 pounds on the Meta 5? No. The only way you're gonna make money is transfer it to my account. That's it. And I can get some coffee. With the 60 pounds, I would say I'll be able to get what? I can't even get the steak. Or yeah. So maybe, yeah. Maybe some desi food tonight. Some chicken curry with some naan and all that. That's what I'm gonna do. Even risky, can chance go up? Speaking of risky, do the risk free, guys. Don't be idiot here. If price will drop, it will drop from here. If it take you out, nothing to worry about the volume. When the volume come, it gives a closure. We can take another entry on that. But you first must need to learn how you can manage your trade just like that. Okay. If it drop, it needs to drop right now in next 15 minutes. 15 closure is coming. Hourly will keep continue push down towards 4127. Let's see. And when this hourly close, something like this, on the flip of the next one, we can add more with the possibility. Eh, 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 eh. Who is this? AP. AP Dilo in the house. Can you guide me, bro, step by step? No, I cannot. Those 60 pounds, I'm the only advice I can give you. Those 60 pounds not gonna change anything from you. You're just gonna lose it. So think like that. You're going on a road and you just throw your 60 pounds just on the side and you just keep walking. That's what's gonna happen when you're gonna put those 60 pounds in your MT5 account. If you don't trust me, if you don't believe me, do that. Come back tomorrow, or maybe it take you maybe 2 3 days. Okay, and then you're gonna blow it, and then you're gonna come back again for the more advice. Not pump it up, pump it down. Gold, you need to pump it down. This is the wrong track, guys. Where are the tabs? No 50k tabs before this hourly closure. I don't think it's gonna drop. It's gonna flip and keep continue pushing it up. I would like to see at least 50k, guys. Keep me motivated here so I can push the price down. Otherwise, I'm gonna close the charts. I'm gonna go do my own stuff. Wrong song? Yeah. Yes. Yeah. But if you want it to drop, by the way, it's risk free. So we have nothing to worry about. What we need to do here, your hands under your butt. And if you think your butt is huge and you can't put your hands under your butt, then you can put hands in your pocket. If you don't have pockets, then do this. If you think your hands are too small, you can't reach your back, then man, tape it. There are so many ways you can stop yourself. DJFX, come on, guys, come on. Waterfall coming now? Mm, I'm waiting for that. If this hourly starts pushing up, let's say, and give a closure back in 4160s, it's mean the price is gonna go back in the range, and then this might be the fake out, as I think FX Killer asked, right, that question, how you know the fake outs. Then we will know that this is the fake out, and then we're gonna look, price rejected, we can look for some buy side. So think our strategy as a cake. We are making this beautiful cake here. First of all, I'm gonna put some cherry on the top. That's my favorite part. Other, we put all the ingredients, sugar, I don't know how it makes, to be honest, but yes, you are basically put all your ingredients, cream, cheese, sugar, milk, powder, whatever you're gonna put it. Now, here we're waiting for one thing, one main ingredient in the strategy, in the trading. That is what? Volume. Okay. If there is no volume, it's not gonna drop. It can maybe range, it can go push up. So same with the cake, you're just waiting for that one ingredient. Once you put it inside, then it's a complete cake. You can sell in the shop, you can eat, or you can feed somebody, a homeless guy like Mr. TBD or Mr. Raj or Mr. Breakin. We have a lot of homeless in the chat, so don't worry. Okay, now I'm gonna play that song. This is the song. Please tell me, what is this? What is this? This is a rap, guys. This is a rap. Uh. He's basically rapping. What happened? So yeah, that was a torture. Okay, hourly is about to close in 8 minutes. It looks like it's closing very nice. Next one might give opportunity to add more contracts on that. So that's going to be the full port sell the next hourly. Okay, wait for that. So that's what we can expect right now. If this close something like this, the next one might go up, touch this zone, and then on the flip of that, that's going to be G plus setup, I would say. Okay, but again, if this hourly flip, or let's say give a closure back in the range, no more sells, then I'm gonna look for some kind of buys inside, or wait for another break, or maybe towards upside. Okay, easy peasy. So yeah, I'm planning to for the next hourly as well, because that's the candle which brings the most amount of volume in Asian session. What's the name of that song? That torture song? I think MC Baba, I guess. Yeah. Now, if we take you out at this position, I would say wait for the next flip, full pot. Torture my mom with that. Oh, please don't. Take your time, then drop and drop and drop, 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 drop. Add more contracts and more drop, 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 drop. Add more contracts and more drop. Drop, 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 drop. Yep. Kitty, are you sleeping? You didn't say a word since you joined the call. I thought you I thought you join and then you sleep on the chair. Like, okay. Okay. Yeah. 4 more minutes. Yeah, sure. Why not? Mm, okay. Nice. Mm. And some prosecco, right? Why not? It's been a while. Today, today is the last Last Asian session for the week. Okay. Fasten your seat belts. Fasten your seat belts. Hey! One more minute. One hour clock, Mr. Spark. Late as always. I'm starting to feel like an employee. Yes, you need to be on time, or you're gonna get half paycheck. Okay, new hourly open. Now you know what you need to do. Exactly, you know what you need to do, right? You need to do full pot. That's Mr. Spark. I'm begging, just flip and drop. Taking me out. Now all we need to do is wait for the flip. Once it gives a flip, then we can place the stops at that high wherever the flip happen and then get into those sell side. Break the screen, guys. Don't tap it. You need to just throw your phone out of the window. That's it. Yeah. On the flip, yep. Once this hourly flip, yes. Full port sells. Full port sells, blow some accounts, and then yes. Mm-hmm. Yep. Nope. 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 You see all the 15, 30 hourly, no lower wick. So it's basically creating that topic which we're talking about. Once it starts flipping, yes, that's going to be a good drop. Why? Because that's what it's doing right now. Let it create some topic. If it push up higher than the previous hourly, then I would say, okay, don't look for the sell side. But if it just, let's say, it just push up maybe here or here, then flip, the sells are still valid. Not yet. Wait for the flip. Wait for the flip. That's the confirmation. Slow down, yes. Wait for that flip and then yes, you can do that. You were talking about going short. Yes, sir. Okay, now it flipped and yeah. Wait. It yeah. Maybe 2 seconds. Come on. Flip already. It's playing. It's teasing. It's teasing, teasing, and teasing. 50. Yes. Some twerking tonight then. If this shall happen, if this shall happen with the full pot, some twerking. We're expecting, guys, we're expecting some twerking tonight on the chair. Once we hit, okay, once we hit 50K likes, somebody's gonna do some twerking here. Somebody, maybe, okay, I'll do it. But I'll, no, 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 but I'll do it over 250K. My, I'll do it. Okay, me, K, are you gonna do that? All right, K's, she's like, okay, I'm gonna do it. Let's do it, K. So yeah, Kitty and K. We're gonna see who do better. Flip is coming. Be ready. 2, 3, 4. Drop, 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 drop. It's teasing, but it will drop. Wait for the flip, wait for the flip. DJ AFX. Doji? What's Doji? Okay. Nothing goes over me. I'm all the way up. All the way up. Flip is coming. Nothing can stop me. All right. Now listen. Open your eyes, guys. Focus on the trade now. Focus on the chart. What's gonna happen? Once you see this hourly gonna flip, you're gonna place your stops at this wick at the current hourly. Once you see this wick fill, mean like this hourly breaking this lows, you can put your stops at break even and enjoy that drop. First TP around 4142, second one 4127, third one 4114. Don't just keep asking me, oh, where's the TP, where's the SL, where's the that. It's everything on the chart now. Okay, so don't be dumb and don't be, everything is here on the chart. Don't fly, just drop. And this trade, it's basically very small stop loss, like 60 70 ticks. That's nothing, but the opportunity here, the risk to reward here is amazing. It's very good. It's huge. Okay, so enjoy it and let me enjoy too. The drop is coming. Tap tap, break the screen. 50K likes. We're gonna see some twerking tonight. 250K likes. You're gonna see some twerking from Mr. AFX with non-existent butt. Yo, Harmon, what's up, man? How you doing? Harmon, how are you feeling, man? I know yesterday you were little depressed, I would say. I wish you could play some Vibes Cartel. What? Who's that? A bit slow volume, but eventually it's gonna drop for sure. Yes, sir. It will. It have to. No other way. Do you think I'm gonna give gold any choice? Oh no, you can drop late. No, you need to drop right now. I want to see 4144 right now. I don't have time to wait for all night. I have to do other stuff. You need to drop now, or I'm gonna block gold. Feeling better now after NYK session was good. Harmon, listen, how long have you been training? You wanna hop on the call? We have some chit chat. Breaking the laws. Remember what I told you. Use your what you need to do here. Okay, 7 months. All right. Chat. Message in the chat what you need to do right now here. Everybody, premium, yeah. All the VIPs they exactly know what they need to do. I'm talking from for the freeloaders. What we need to do right now exactly at here at this point. I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna touch my screen. I want you to tell me exactly. Hurry up. Okay, break even W's, Mr. G's W's, Sandy, break even, risk free, launchy. Okay, Thomas, take a coffee. Yes, absolutely. KBE, okay. BE. Thank you. All right, yes. Risk free. Now, we don't give up. Where the price go? Have fun. Signals over signals over signals over signals. Ah, why I'm so good. Spark. You here? Or you sleeping? Both my future and Forex are yummy, Uncle G. Let's go. Let's go. Break that record. Let's go. And it's teasing. God. It literally very close. 4144.9 just drop. Thank you so much. Thank you. Blast that song. Daddy's home. Daddy's home. By who? By Usher? This one? King, Mr. J. William. Daddy's home. Kitty, did you do the full part? You- This is just the beginning of the cells. Play God mode. Karupu. Karupu. Where's Karupu? Is this? Is this? Just came to your live, bro. You are doing great. Keep it up. Make bugs follow you now. Very good. Nero, is this? Dumb, dumb. Kitty is like dumb, dumb, dumb. Nero, you also need to do the translation. Kitty, you wanna see the dance? This, look at this. This is how you need to dance now. Kitty, do you know what she's wearing? This girl? Yeah, it's called sari. Sari, yeah, sari. Guys, imagine Kitty is wearing sari. Why not? Yeah, but that it's like traditional clothes, just normal clothes, you know? Yeah. Yeah, usually people wear red, I think on the weddings. Yeah, all colors. Yeah. Yeah. No. Okay, what kind of song you recommending here? I wasn't paying attention and now I'm paying attention and it's okay. She's like play that daddy song. What? Henna. Oh, Mehndi. Henna. Henna. Yeah. Play Power by Young Thug. Meow. Meow. So I requested for this song. What is this doing, man? He's sitting on the. Look. Hmm. Yeah, Rick, if we take you out at the BE now, mm, wait for the 4 hour closure then. But it can still drop, yes, for sure. The way it's doing right now. Nick Nicker trade, yes sir, Nicker trade, shorts trade. Woo! How, how, what's the max you can get from 25? 15,000 or 1500? I think it's, oh, it's 1000, yeah, then yeah, it probably 1000. Hmm. So it's like you basically trading the 50K or 150K account because of that buffer. Yep. 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 And you already create a very good buffer. That's nice. Guys, don't forget the 4 hour closure is also coming. Okay. So what you use now? June. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Today news was fun. Today news was fun. That was the ideal trade, like no drawdown. Take the buys on the flip, boom, 300 takes. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. How long have you been trading? I just started 3 months ago. How long have you been trading, Mr. Alex? Okay, here comes the drop now. Let's see. It's just a hobby for me. Okay, very nice. Okay, can you block this plug guy? That gang shit? Or just mute him? Yeah. No free advertisement here. Only paid sponsorships, we do. Kitty, you mute him? K blocked him. K's like, I'm gonna block this guy. Yeah, yeah. So yeah, okay. First mute them. If they still do the same thing, block. Bye bye. Okay, now the drop is coming again. Let's go. Let's go, 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 go. Again for 140s and further push down. Let's go. Bring it back. It's a straight bye bye for her. She's a gangster. She's not. Yes. K is a gangster, guys. Don't take her easy. Drop W's in the chat. Yes, Armon. These people, they're not kind. They're only gonna cry when the price go against them. That's it. But yeah, guys, thank you for hitting the 50K likes. Thank you so much. That means nothing to me. Thank you. I mean that means a lot to me. Oh, okay. Okay, now this is, I would say, second or third try for the drop. There is high chances now that it will finally continue pushing it down. Let's see. Yeah, let's see. We're hitting 50K likes while FX is hitting 50K months. Mr. J. Williams. Come on, come on. I want everybody to do that. And that's my goal in the community. First, I want you to make whatever you're making on your 5 to 9. We're going to replace that. Once you're regular with that, then we're going to go jump higher. It starts with 5K, 10K, 20K, 50K. And it's easy. It's very easy to scale in the prop firm, especially when you have multiple accounts. But first, you need to learn all the process, you know. Mm-hmm. Yes. Bring it back. Yeah, when I get back from England. Oh, you're in England. Come on, man. You should have told that. We ne when is your flight? Is it from Heathrow or where? Because I'm gonna send Kay and Shuaib at the airport to receive you, you know, with some flowers and a limousine with red carpet. It's J. William, the king of the oil wells. Come on. Oh, Trucker Paji, how are you doing? Sab Vadhiya? Here is your drop. Good boy, Gold. Good boy. Very good boy. Just keep dropping. Four. Yeah, already the first target is achieved just like that, and 100 ticks. Why I'm so good, Kitty? Why I'm so amazing? Why? Why I have all these superpowers? 4 hour closure is also coming. Okay. hmm So many things happen in the next 20 minutes. For example, the price can dump here or price can push up here, but most likely dump. First TB hit, target hit, second right here, third right here. Listening, it's listening, it's listening to you. It's like, okay, okay, kitty, I'm going down. Okay, kitty, calm down. That's what it's saying. Baby, don't worry, I will drop more from here. Yeah, yeah. The cells are just getting started, guys. It's not ended, so don't worry. We have very clean range on the left. Once we break this 4140s, we can easily expect 4125s. Okay? So if you're already in the cells, then you should enjoy that. If you're not, then have fun. Yeah. And if you're not in, wait for the 4 hour for sure. Wrong setup, King Mir, what you mean? Mr. King Mir, why don't you hop on the call and explain? Okay, you need, yeah, good. You need to turn on your camera. Mm-hmm. Yes. Yeah. Okay. Uh, Okay. Okay. Mm. Guys, if you also want to make 3 million in 3 months, you need to start trading on the Fibonacci. That's it. That's all you need to do. Maybe he's talking about Nigerian million. Why you took him on call when he can't open camera? Yeah. See, that's yeah, we're bored actually. That's why I don't put all these random people on call because they have zero, zero knowledge about anything. And they're gonna come here and gonna act like they're multi billionaire. Nah. Or dragon. Yeah, Mr. Mira, please send us some dragon. Mr. Ramisco, we're also Nigerian. We have another one. Uh, You, so you didn't make 3 million? By the way, how much? How okay? How much is one USD? One 1,300. So we how much we need to make 1 million in Nairo? 10,000. So yeah. So yeah. So I think he was right. So even if he make three. Okay, okay, okay. So 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 Nigerian currency is better than like other countries, or it's the same? So so okay. Okay, okay, buddy, relax, relax. Oh, we have so many people from Texas. But we're gonna oh, Is in bathroom. Is hiding from her wife. It's like it's like I'm talking to Kitty. I need to be. Come on, Uncle J. Come on. Hey, thanks, XOXO. Yes, sir. So yeah, thank you, thank you. So have you checked the restricted country with the lucid? Because most of the countries in South Africa part, they are, I mean, restricted. So if you, what's your country like? Hmm. And what's the yeah, 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 what? Yeah, I do copy trading, yep. For for what? No, oh, you mean that signal copy trading? No, I don't do that. I copy trade like in prop form, like in my accounts, just for myself. I don't take anybody's money, anybody's trading. But like this week or next week, maybe we're gonna go with some kind of the similar plan, but not yet. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, man. Take care. Take care. Thanks. No, no, no. Keep carry on. Yeah, keep carry on. And he's like, oh, I'm stuck. How can I get out? Yeah. 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 Maria said she's from Kenya. Yeah. Yeah. Having fun. Yeah. Yeah. Always ready. Every time. Mhm. Hourly 4 hour flip coming? Mm. Mm. On 4 hour flip? On this hourly flip? 30 flipping, 15 flipping, hourly flipping, 4 hour flipping, which means full pot flip. Rick is like, oh shit, I missed the first drop. Now I'm gonna get this one. Rick, it's getting late, buddy. You need to sleep. You need to go work tomorrow. He's like, just two Jesus, kitty. Come on, what you talking about? This is a troll account. Don't worry. Just mute or block this. That's a troll account. Yeah. Okay, flipping guys. Be ready for drop. Be ready. Focus on the chart, kitty. The- then then get new account. It's gonna drop. It's gonna drop further. 50K. 50K account. Let's go. Clean range on the left, we can still expect very clean drop for 4127s, 4129. And guys, chat, everybody, like I appreciate it, Mr. FX Killer and the other guy who's coming here saying thanks and learning and all that. If you guys want to share your own experience here, okay? Because most of you don't even send any comments. You're just silent killers in the chat or in the live. So if you want to share your experience, how we're doing, or you have any questions about the strategy and all that, you can hop on the call. Okay. Hmm. It's clean range on the left, Kitty. It's gonna draw. Log log out your account. I'm saying log out your account. Oh, new account. Okay, yeah. New account you can. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Four one. He's, he sound like sleepy. Like, yeah, I am in, but he's, Rick, you need to breathe, brother. You need to breathe. He's spinning. He's spinning right now. Yeah, he's spinning. He, he, he make his special trip to Five Below to get that fidget spinner. Yes. Hey, congratulations. 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 Yay. That's it. Yeah, you're welcome. You're welcome. Woman power. Woman power. Yeah. And Kay, you also need to hop on the call. Come on. Maria is here. Kitty is here. Yeah. Yeah. We want to hear from you. Come on. Sadi. 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 Where you gonna wear? Usually people wear on the weddings, Kitty. Coca-Cola. What you said? What you said? Like Coca-Cola. I'm a I'm a Coca-Cola bottle. Yeah. 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 We have very clean range on the left. It will drop, but slow, 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 slow. If you're already in, do the break even, call it a night, and then come back in the New York session. Easy. Mm. Oh. Mhm. Are, guys, are we trading London session tonight? Oh my God. In one day? In one day? Yeah. Yes, hello. Yes, sir. Funded next? Yeah. Yes. I'm not sure about Bitcoin. You need to check on their payment method. I usually get the direct bank payments. Yeah, bank account, yeah. But I think they for overseas they might have maybe like the third party service, maybe Rise or Wise to transfer the money. Yeah. 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 No, if you live in the States, then yeah, what's the issue? Okay, all right, yeah. Yeah, I I don't think so. They do the crypto. It's more like when you do the forex pro firms, they do the crypto method. But with the future ones, what I see, they usually do the direct purchases. It's very easy. Most of us here, like, they are new, right? And it will take them maybe 2 days, 3 days to completely understand the platform. That's very user friendly. The platform we use, Tradesy, it's very user friendly. It will, yes, yeah, 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 absolutely. Hmm. Yeah, it's very easy. I'm telling you, once you, yeah, at the beginning, 2 3 days, it's gonna be tough for you because it's a brand new platform. But once you learn the platform, it you're never gonna go back to the forex firms. Why? They have the, like, easiest rules. Like, basically no rules, no restrictions. However you wanna trade, you can trade with the news. You can trade with, like you're basically trading with your personal capital. And the price, like cost wise, it's very very cheap. So the 100K account here, you might gonna get maybe 120, 130, 150 bucks. But with the, yes, that's what I'm telling you. It's very easy. What? I'm in the, it's basically like if you get the 50K account, or let's say you get the 150K account for the Lucid Flex account, and once you pass the evaluation account, and now you're in the funded stage, because there's only one challenge. You don't have two phases in the futures. Once you pass that, once you're in the funded, it's basically you have your personal account with 4,500 drawdown. So you can do, like, you can make 10,000 in day one. You can go 2,000 negative. You can make 5,000. You can make 200. However you want to trade, you can trade news. You can hold your trade uh, less than 2 minutes, because some, I know some CFD pro firms, they don't allow you to hold. See, see, all these garbage rules, they are, you're not gonna see any of these rules in this lucid platform. That's what I'm saying you. It's like you're trading your personal capital, how much, however you want to trade. Yeah, yeah, the 150K account, I think that will cost you like around maybe 200 something. But that's like, yes, just one phase. So you need to make 9,000 in minimum 2 days. Maximum maximum. Hmm? Man, it's first, man, you already paying $700. Okay, number two thing, once you let's say even if you pass that account, then they're gonna start making excuse. Oh, you remember at that trade you hold this trade for this, or remember that day you trade this news. I see all these different messages in the chat every single day because these pro firms are denying. That's why I tell them, man, if you can trade with the futures, come to the future side. Yeah, if you are in the Discord, you can just send the screenshots there. Like one of us, whenever we free, we try to help you out there. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Everything is there. Like the free Discord is there, so you can join that. Yeah. What? Features on? No, that's the platform is different. It's called Trade C, not the MT5. Trade C. So they will email you all the details with the credentials. If you still don't understand that, watch the YouTube video or just Google it. It will literally take you 2 minutes to set it up. Okay. And then if you still struggle, just message in the Discord. Yeah. So yeah, they have the pairs, but in the future markets, they come with the different name. Okay. But most likely the most favorite is gold. So like in the Forex, you said XAU USD, but with the futures you call MGC or GC. Yeah. So right now, so right now you're seeing on the chart, it's basically we're trading MGC, which is the same exact thing, but you're gonna see little bit price difference from XAUSD and MGC. That's it. But the moment of the market, the way it's pushing up and down or going all that, it's the exact same. The other thing you're gonna get better with the spreads. So you see during the news times when you trade with these pro firms, they increase the spreads and there are so much slippage you're not gonna see in the futures. Yeah. 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 So yeah, you're gonna love it, man. I'm telling you, once you learn the platform, you spend like 1 or 2 weeks, you're never gonna go back and buy those expensive challenges with the CFDs. Yeah. 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 Yeah, before buying it, go to their FAQ and read their rules. Okay, so they have the new account type which where you can get the daily payouts as well. So if you're just starting, I would say start with the Lucid Flex. That's have the more reliable like rules. So in the if you get the evaluation, you can you can pass in 2 days. Okay, so minimum 2 days, there's no time limit. You can pass in 1 month, 2 month, 3 months, it's up to you. Okay. Yeah, but minimum 2 days there, that's the require, that's the only requirement you have. Other than that, uh however you want to trade, you can trade. Yes. Lucid trading, yes, it's in the, I also post the website link in the bio. So yeah. All right. Yeah, no worries, no worries, man. Where, where's Kitty? She ran away. So yeah, it is pushing down. So I would say do the break even and go to sleep. Because I mean, if now it starts going push up, there is more likely that it's going to reject and range at this point because there's no volume. Might be maybe in few hours we can expect something for this drop, But other than that, I would say if you take the cells already up, do the break even. If you're already out, then call it a night, because the market is now very, very slow. Yeah, yeah. So, so yeah, okay. Yeah, but do the break even, because, or if you don't want to do the break even, put your stops at least like on the above, a little bit on the flip, because once it starts pushing up, then yes, it's gonna give retracement. Because see, like this, like since the session open, since this breakout happened, price is non-stop pushing it down. So at some point it needs to give some retracement, right? So you don't want to deal with that drawdown. It's better to just, I would say, uh mm, for 2.7. Okay, this is your entry. Stops is 41447. So you put your stops on the 15 minute, or yeah, because the hourly topic is around 4149. Yeah, yeah, yeah. No, that's the, yeah, that's the good thing. Yeah, because it's still breaking its lows, and there's still high possibility that it can fall. Look at the clean range on the left, and we've seen so many times the only thing is missing here is volume. Exactly. Once it's gonna start coming like the some volume, some traction, you're gonna see it like starts pushing down furthermore. So yeah, guys, I would say that's it. Should we call it a night? Yeah, yeah. All right, take care, guys, take care. All right. Mhm. Yeah, as soon as I'm gonna close the live, it's gonna start falling from here. Bro, you remind me of King Julian from Madagascar. What? That was random. So yeah, guys, any last minute questions? If you have